Hello and welcome to the Zacks Advisor Tools fourth quarter 2019 new release video tutorial. Here's a brief overview of our new release regarding screening, the quote monitor, charting functionality, the key stats page, some new data changes, search functionality, the portfolio monitor, surprise activity, and institutional holdings. Starting with our new screening capabilities, you can now access screening under the Zacks Strategies tab found under Screening. And screens can be created by clicking on New User Screen. Rules can be found under the Browse button and created from here. Next, we have data items that have been added to the watch list overview on the quote monitor. Dividend yield and next earnings per share report date. For ETFs, we've added volume, dividend yield, and expense ratio. And for mutual funds, we have added dividend yield and expense ratio. For the Advisor Tools fundamental charts, we have added the capability to chart data series for ETFs and to chart ETF and mutual fund data series on these fundamental charts. Just enter the ticker under securities on the left-hand side and click Add. On our key stats page for individual securities, we added links to our Zacks research reports, such as equity analyst reports, snapshot reports, mutual fund reports, and ETF. Also, our surprise chart now has time period selection, and our mutual fund top 10 holdings have calculation details in the footnotes. And these reports and data items can be found all on the top of the key stats page here. We have added new data and made some data changes as well. On the mutual funds key stats page, active shares are now available, and the current dividend yield relative to the 10-year treasury is now available. We have a major improvement in our search functionality when searching for a ticker or the name of a individual security. Our IntelliSense will produce more results. If you enter the first two letters of a ticker symbol, you will get more results as well as different share classes for an individual fund. We have also added the ability to add a cash weighting within the holdings of the portfolio monitor, as well as a spot within the cash weighting for the import from Excel for the portfolio monitor. This can be found and edited at the bottom of the holdings for the portfolio of interest. We have also added definitions to our column titles within the Surprise Activity tab when you mouse over the top of the columns. So when you are on the Surprises Activity page and you mouse over the top of the column here, you can see the definition and or the calculation for that metric. And lastly, we have added an export to CSV file option to the export functionality for institutional holdings. So once you are on the quote page for an individual security, click on institutional holdings. And then you will see on the right-hand side the download CSV file. Thank you for watching our Q4 2019 new release tutorial. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to our Zacks support line.